That's why you gotta never let them see you down, see you down. Oh, oh, hey. Gotta smile while you're hurting. Just whistle while you're working. Auntie Gray from God. I'm doing a little car vlog inside the car. Just want to show you what's inside my car. Sweet tarts. Yes, you guys got this from Walgreens. They had buy one or buy two, get one free. This is the radio. It still got to get fixed. This is right here. Keeps everything from sliding. And just show you how much gas I got. My steering wheel. I have a Saturn 2004 Saturn. It is an ION level 2. This is inside. You can raise on the windows. They have locks. Lock and lock back and forth. And I have heat. So when I see how they lock, my doors lock when I turn on the car. I have heat. And this is supposed to be the time, but I haven't set the time yet. Radio. CD player. CD player. But yep, got to smell good. We're gonna keep the car fresh. This is the back seat. Got a box. My club stick for my steering wheel. Back seat. Front seat. Steering wheel. To show you it's a Saturn. 2004 Saturn. I hear it's beeping. Which you always do. It makes this beeper sound until I close the door. But yeah, this is my new car. This is gonna be called the new car block. Video. This is my new car that I had just purchased like last week, Tuesday, I believe it was. Sometime I can't remember the date for right now. But yeah, this is my new car. I got my water bottle with my cherry lime. And still got the paper on the floor just for when I had bought the car. My glove department with my emission test. I don't even know what this is right here, but I'm gonna check it out later. Then I got you can plug in my cell phone charger. Yep. So this is how they look. Thank you for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for my next videos. God bless. Good day.